In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do URL redirects in Wix. Whether you're redesigning your website, changing your URL structure for SEO purposes, or just want to ensure a seamless user experience, knowing how to set up URL redirects is a critical skill. So let's dive in and make the process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you need to access your Wix dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your website. Once you're in the dashboard, pay attention to the left panel. It's packed with useful options. From here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App. A quick click will open up more features related to your website and mobile applications. Now, as you're in the Site and Mobile App section, your next step is to locate Website and SEO. This is where all essential tools for optimizing your site are housed. Clicking on Website and SEO opens up a plethora of tools specifically designed to help you enhance your site's performance and visibility online. As you continue, you should now see another option labeled SEO. Go ahead and select it. Once you're in the SEO section, scroll down until you see the URL Redirect Manager. Don't be shy to take your time scrolling, as Wix interfaces can sometimes be a bit packed with information. Now, when you find URL Redirect Manager, click it to open the URL Redirect options. Alternatively, if scrolling isn't your thing or you're pressed for time, Wix has a very handy search bar. Simply type URL Redirect Manager into this search bar and the correct option should pop up. This feature is incredibly useful if you ever need to locate specific tools quickly across the Wix dashboard. Once you're in the URL Redirect Manager, you can start setting up redirects. Look for the option to add a redirect. It's usually marked by a button that says Plus New Redirect. Clicking this allows you to choose between setting a single redirect or creating a group redirect. This flexibility is particularly useful if you have multiple URLs to redirect, making the whole process much faster. Sometimes you'll have a whole bundle of URLs to handle. In that case, there's an efficient method built into the platform. Click on More Actions within the URL Redirect Manager, and you'll see an option to import a CSV file. If you're not sure how your CSV file should look, Wix provides a downloadable template. This template can serve as your guide, ensuring that your file is formatted correctly and will upload without any hitches. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've mastered setting up URL redirects on Wix. Whether you're doing it manually through the interface or importing lists through a CSV file, you can ensure your users end up in the right place every time. Thank you for watching and happy redirecting.